Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to change a flat tire on your BMX bike. Okay, first thing you want to do, take your bike, flip it upside down. Next thing you want to do is take off your back tire's bolts. You're going to want to slide your bike tire forward to be able to take off your chain. Pick up your chain from the top, just drop it like that. That way, then you pull the chain back over your freewheel off the back, pull it straight out. Next thing you want to do is when it's flat, you can take a wrench, something small, pop in the inside of your bike tire like this. Put your fingers in there, slowly work your way around the entire tire. Take off your stop on your valve stem. Push your tube up and out your valve stem. Pull your tire completely out. Your tube completely out. Next thing, you want to make sure that you're using the right size tube for your bike. If you're using a normal BMX, it's about a 20-inch tube. Some of the BMXs might be 12 or 16, and if you have like a bigger bike, it might be 26. So you want to definitely check that you have a 20-inch when you're working with a BMX. Okay, so the trick to doing this is you don't want to put it in completely flat. That's going to cause you a little bit of trouble. You could bind up and you could end up popping your tube again. What you want to do is pump it up just a little bit so you get a little bit of shape to it. Not too much air, just enough where it has a little bit of air in it to hold a shape. Next, line up your valve stem. Tuck the tube underneath your tire to your rim. Line up your valve stem with its hole. Push the valve stem through. Continue to push the tube up and around into the tire. Okay, after you have the tube completely in, then you want to work your way around, pushing the tire back onto the rim. The next thing you want to do is put your rim back onto your bike before airing, because if you have back brakes, it'll be too tight to fit through here. So keep the air out before you put it back on. Take your chain that's completely messed up now. Okay, once you've slid your tire on, put the chain over the back freewheel first. Grab the chain, put it back on the top. Give it a little crank. Goes back into place. Then what you want to do is put your foot behind the seat post and yank it back as tight as you can get it so that the chain is tight, and make sure your wheel is even in the middle before you start tightening so it doesn't spin sideways. Okay. Next step, just tighten it back up and air it up, and you are good to go.